Okay, I would like someone to see him.
Yeah, the dining room, it's dinner time.
Hi. Hi, big guy. Your head is as big as my microwave.
Yep.
So they have a pretty good temperament.
He is good, but he's also very good against other hostile dogs, unwanted guests in the house at night.
But he's pretty protective.
Very protective, yes. Yeah.
Hi, beautiful. Oh, you're so beautiful. I'm going to pop.
My Saint Bernard. He's like 200 pounds. He's bigger than a lot of people here.
Oh, you're getting biscuits too.
He's getting biscuit, but he likes to savor things. He got a little biscuit. He'll sit there and savor it for a little while.
Boy, I wish my cat was like that. He doesn't even swap. He doesn't even chew
Takes
it.
after his master. He's a big guy.
You had him since he was a pup?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But he was big then, too.
Yeah,
He kept growing and growing.
he just kept on growing, yes. Yep.
But you knew when you got him how big he was going to get, right?
Yeah, right.
What's his name or her name?
Boris. It's a he. Yeah.
Boris.
Yep, that's Boris.
Carla.
That's a
Yeah.
Don't they drool a lot, too?
They do, yes. It's just something you have to deal with. The drool.
Hey, Edward, do you want to come up? I got to take this up, or you want to
Yeah.
wait?
Ask the ladies if it's okay if I come up to the rooms with Boris.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my son-in-law comes up with his dog.
Hi.
Nice puppy, huh?
This is our little puppy, yes. That's Boris.
Pork gravy.
Is he a purebred?
Yes, he is.
Whoa.
Yeah, his father's name was Samson.
Samson.
His father's name was Samson. Yep.
As in
As in the biblical figure.
Hey, you slobber all over the seat of my walker, buddy.
Yeah, my
Want
daughter,
to
she's
come up with
got,
him, or you want to wait here?
No, I'll come up with him if it's okay.
Oh, sure, yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah.
We got to get his bone. Would you grab his bone? He's kind of funny about bones. He likes to guard them. Yeah, he is kind of a little horse and a dog. All at one. Okay. Let's go out and visit Grandma's kitties.
Okay.
Not too much, actually. Would you grab his bone?
He dropped it. I'll put it in my pocket.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Come on, son. Let's go.
You go ahead with me here.
Hello. Yep, we got a puppy. It's Boris. All right, here we go.
Hi, boy.
There's a big doggy. Yeah.
Very gentle.
Come on, you guys, the other way, son.
You're a big doggy. May I pet you?
You sure can.
Yeah. You like that? When somebody pets you. Huh? Do you like that? Your son, is that his dog? You're a nice doggy. Yeah. You're nice.
That's as far as we got. Okay, here we go. Come on, Boris, up we go. Oh yeah, he's gonna go on the elevator.
Hi, boy.
yeah, my son in Oregon has two like that. He's magnificent.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, such a nice one.
Which? Four?
Thank
Oh,
you.
I'm sorry. He is a little wild.
Yeah, he takes he's wonderful.
Yes, he does. I'll wrap him tight here. Okay.
Boris,
Well, he
you're
likes
one
it.
of a
He
kind.
likes this weather. I bet.
He does, yes. More so than the hot weather. Okay. Here we go. Okay.
Oh,
what a beautiful dog.
Yes, he is quite beautiful, actually.
Oh my goodness, what did you feed that dog?
Just a lot of meat, dog food, you know.
I've never seen a dog that big.
He actually eats oatmeal sometimes.
Oh,
He's quite a dog. Okay, here we go.
hi boy. Hey, I got some buns. Would you like it?
We're not going to overfeed him.
Okay,
We got a trip home yet.
okay. Boris, you're one of a kind.
This way. Oh, this way.
Here we are.
There we go. Your cats are going to love Boris.
Come in.
Okay. Can he have a little water, Ma?
Of course. Wait a minute.
Little bowl or something? I'm not sure if your cats have ever seen a dog before.
I don't know. Hey, Boris. Here, boy.
Boris, you want water? Over here, son.
Here.
Over here. Come here. Come here.
Here,
Boris, want some water?
boy. Here. Here. Here.
Apparently not.
I think he was a bun.
No. No bun. You know you're coming home with us, right? You're spending the night at our house.
Okay, but
Okay.
I'm not. Let me get my. I have some in there, but make sure.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make sure that
Your kitties took off.
yeah.
They didn't really want to meet and greet with Boris.
Okay.
Boris, you want to meet and greet with the kitty cats? Yeah. You know there's a couple kitty cats around, don't you?
Here, boy. Would you like some? No.
I think he has more, I want to meet the kitty cats on his mind than drinking water.
They're probably under the bed.
He smells them. He knows they're around. He'd love to, introduce himself.
I can imagine. Okay. Oh, look here.
Okay, now he drinks.
My black one is hiding. Hiding in here. I want to make sure I got
Make sure you have your keys.
in my pocket.
Okay.
Look here. And
I see that. Have your cats ever seen a dog?
I don't really know. I bring two aunties, that should be enough.
Oh, yeah.
And I've only my glasses.
You won't need your glasses? So that's fine.
Well,
All right. Okay, Boris. Time to say goodbye. Boris, come here. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.